Hi everybody. Okay, so I love 4th of July. One of the reasons is it's right after my birthday, so I make it a big celebration. But there's nothing more important than spending time with your family during the holiday and enjoying yourself, not spending a lot of time in the kitchen cooking. So I found a couple of 4th of July recipes that are super easy, the family will love, and it will not kill your time. First, let's start with our 7-layer flag bean dip. Lay out refried beans on the bottom. Next, guacamole, salsa, sour cream. Top it off with white cheese, black olives for the flag, and cherry tomato halves for the stripes. Now it's time for our star watermelon skewers. Use star cookie cutters to cut out the different size stars. Put blueberries on a skewer. And then top it off with the watermelon star. Put the skewers in a glass and add blueberries. That's it.
Now I'm going to show you how to make an easy firecracker bundt cake. First, bake a bundt cake from a box mix. Next, take pre-made frosting and separate it into 3 bowls. Put the frosting in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. Take a spoon and drizzle the white frosting over the cake first. Next, add red food coloring to the second bowl of frosting. Mix it in, then drizzle it over the cake. And to finish it off, add blue food coloring to the third bowl of melted frosting, mix it in, and then drizzle it over the top. To finish it off, sprinkle red, white, and blue sprinkles over the top. Let it cool, and you have a super easy and gorgeous firecracker bundt cake.
So I hope you have a wonderful Independence Day, and remember, take some time to stop and smell the roses and enjoy it.